So today we're gonna do another installment in our back to school series, and today we have some super easy but still put together glam makeup. If you are that girl that is working and going to school, or you're just doing a lot like outside of school as well, and you need your makeup to last all day, you want a look that can carry you through the day, then just keep watching. So this is just Tarte Quench Primer. This is from the Rainforest of the Sea. Now we're gonna be using our Fenty Hydrating Foundation. Look, I did not think I was gonna like this, but I do. And I'm just gonna blend this in with a damp beauty blender. This is the Fenty Concealer. This is the shade 390. I'm gonna do another one. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in a dark 40. I'm just gonna put it right here though. I'm not gonna like take a lot of time to put it anywhere else. This also can be used too if you're like going to like an event at school. Like I know a lot of times when like school first starts, well at least for me it was, I don't know what y'all doing nowadays, that's when like there will be a lot of parties happening like the first like maybe month of school, because you didn't really, wow, they're really singing doors out here, because you really didn't have a lot of schoolwork to do. Laura Mercier. And today I'm not even really gonna bake. I'm really just working the product in under my eyes, and I'm gonna leave it alone. I do want to shout out this company. They sent me a good amount of their brow pencils. This is Mia Adora, the Call Me On Point Micro Tip Brow Definer. This is like a super skinny brow pencil. I've been using it for the past couple weeks. I just wanted to see how it worked before I actually shared it with you guys. And it's actually like really good. Like look at how tiny that is. And it also has like a really small spoolie on the other end, which I really like. We're gonna use the, I got this palette sent to me a few days ago, or actually like a week or so ago. This is the Gold Label Cosmetics. They just dropped this. This is the Mombasa palette, and I have been ready to use it. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade from this palette. Don't have to be like super precise or anything. I'm like not really paying attention to anything, just making sure I get it down. Just get a little bit of depth in the eye. If you want to add a little extra pizzazz, this, I'm just gonna take this gold color right here, and I'm just gonna take my finger, just, oh, she's pigmented. Ooh, she's pigmented. Okay, so just a little bit less. Just a little bit, and wow, she's really pigmented. That's good though. Your fingers are a good tool when doing your makeup. Just always make sure they're clean. Start off by washing your hand, but like if you don't have a lot of eyeshadow brushes, like do not fret, my dear. Your finger will do you just fine. It'll do you a lot better than you think it will. This is just the Sephora contour palette. Now, contrary to popular belief, you might think because I am as chocolate as I am, I would need to use this shade, but I actually use this shade over here to contour. You know. Actually, you don't need as dark of a contour shade as you might think. You don't want to get too muddy, but it's definitely going to give you some depth. Okay, now we're going to highlight. This is the Real Her highlights, and the shade is Confidence in My Glow. You look at it. It reminds me a lot of the Anastasia, and it actually has like a very soft finish to it. It's not super harsh either. Okay, This is a brown liner by Julep. This is their brown shimmer. And I'm just gonna tight line my eyes. So it's not gonna be like a dark eyeliner, but it's just gonna give some definition to your eyes. From class to class, you're gonna need some so that your face stays where you put it. Now that we have our setting spray done, we can put on some mascara. I'm just gonna use my Great Lash because it's cheap and it does the job. Now I'm gonna do my lips. This is the e.l.f. lip liner. We're gonna use a liquid lipstick. This is really something that's gonna stay all day. And this is from Real Her as well. This is in the shade I Will Succeed. I'm just gonna start by putting a little bit in the middle. This is just a really nice, like, my Fenty Gloss Bomb. I can't find my fussy one, so this is just a Fenty Glow. Just gonna put a nice coat right on top. The matte will probably last a bit longer than the glossy, but so this is it. This is like a quick makeup you can do. Like, if you're gonna be out all day at school, you definitely want something that's gonna last like all day, especially if you have like an internship or after school job and you're gonna be like in an office setting. You want your look to last all day. I really recommend, like, for just like a good everyday look, the Fenty Hydrating Foundation. Like, I like it a lot more than I actually thought I would. So if you have oily skin, don't be afraid of it because it says hydrating. Like, give it a try. This is it, you guys. If you liked the video, do not forget to thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.